39. Don't forget to check out suggestions 1 through 38. But this is how to make money online. And my suggestion for 39 is to share links on social media. Yeah, how about that? So, section, my suggestion 39 is to share links on social media. Most of the businesses and startups are trying to build their brand on social media websites such as Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, and so on. Businesses are targeting social media because almost every internet user today has a social media account. Such businesses need people who can help them to promote their products and services on social media websites. There are a few websites which pay you for sharing links on your social media accounts. The more you share, the more money you make. If you have a large social media following, then you'll earn very good amount of money from such sites. Now, the sites that I would suggest now is sharemagnet.com.